Oh, hello, beautiful people. Really, bro? Really? See? They are cycling, so maybe I should walk in the other side. I don't know, but it's all good. It's all good. Anyway, good morning, afternoon, and evening, depending on the time you guys will be watching this video. My name is Amir, and like the title suggests, I'll be changing my name to its_Amir. Yes, from Amir.Nasser to its_Amir. Most of you know this place already, very nice. This is where you can donate your clothes that you don't wear anymore. I don't know if I go this side. Yeah, if I go this side, yeah, probably, because always I've been showing you this side. Let me go through this side. Ouch. Yeah, so guys, yes, it's been a while since I recorded a YouTube video. Actually, it's been almost 1 month, and most of you've been sending messages, sending emails. Some of you have been calling me, and trying to figure out why I am not uploading videos. And to be honest, the reason why I have not been uploading videos, it's because I just took some time off. And the reason why I took some time off, it's because I just wanted to take some rest, and as well, I was a little bit held up at work. There was a project that I was doing at work, and it needed 100% of my concentration, because guys, I don't get anything on YouTube. At the moment, I don't get anything on YouTube, but yes, in future I will harvest my fruits, because these are the fruits that I'm planting. And then in future, when I start to eat the fruits, yeah, it will be amazing. Yes, so that is the reason why I haven't been uploading. But what I've been doing is I've been doing some short videos, here and there, just to keep the channel alive. And thank you for all the people who subscribe to my channel. It's better, guys, I walk. See this tree? Yeah, it's better I walk on this side, because here in Bahrain you keep right, so I can see the cars that are coming. But if I walk on the other side, I cannot see the cars that are coming towards me, so because they're coming on the other side. So yeah, guys, like I was saying, I've been uploading short videos, and through the short videos I've been gaining subscribers, and I'm really grateful for that. And thank you for the people who have been staying in the channel even without me bringing videos out there, but still watching my old videos, commenting. Thank you so much. I want to give a very special thank you and a shout out to Christine Doe. Yeah, Christine Doe is one of the people whom they have been coming back to my channel, watching my old videos. Hajwiz is one of them, and Sarah is also one of them. They've been reaching out, and many other more people that I cannot mention. Yeah, I just want to say thank you, guys. Your support is really appreciated, and I do not take it for granted even a single day. Yes, so this is me. I'm just cruising here around. This place is called Jufe. Jufe in Bahrain, it's like Bahrain is very small, so it's like an estate. There is some estates, or there is some towns. I don't know how to call it. I don't know how to say. Maybe it's an estate, maybe it's a town, maybe it's a street. But yeah, Jufe is one of the places in Bahrain. It's a good neighborhood whereby you can stay, but it's a little bit costly. But mostly what people do here, they share the cost. You come up with 1 or 2, 3 friends, then you join hands, then you share the cost, the total cost. you look for a nice apartment, you know, at the end of the day, even if you're working here, you know, also you're living here. And if you're living here, you should be living a good life, you know, a good place, a comfortable place. But at the end of the day, it's the preference of it's your preference. Yeah, it's your preference. So where you choose to stay, it's up to you. It doesn't matter, so long as you're comfortable. That's what matters. So yes guys, I'm just walking here. That's the highway on that side, and this is the street. These are the real streets. So guys, what do you think about my new name? Because I think when I'm uploading this video, honestly, I will change the name. So this video will come with a new name. It's Amir. Yes. So what do you think? Should I keep the name or should I just continue with the old name? But I did a poll. I did a short video with a poll. Vote. Is it voting poll or with a poll? Yeah, with a poll. So most of you, they said yes, change it. And why I'm changing it, you know, it's very hot, by the way. It's very hot. So the reason why I'm changing it also, it's because when you search my name on YouTube, you know, Amir.Nasser, you know, my name, it's an Arabic word, you know, Amir.Nasser. So when people search my name, it's very difficult for them to find my channel, you know. Most of you, they have been reaching out and telling me that we've been trying to search your name, but we cannot find you. Other channels come up, you know, so people give up, you know, they stop searching, or maybe they miss out my channel. But when I change it to _Amir, that will be easy, you know. It will be easy, and also it's unique because it's just me. So if I put _Amir, I believe it will help me for my videos to reach a wider audience, and also it will be easy to be searched. When you search it, you can easily find, you can easily find the name. So that's the reason to why I'm doing that. That's the reason to why I'm changing my name. And I hope with your support, guys, I believe everything will be fine, and I believe my videos will entertain you, because now the way I want to be doing my videos, I want to do my videos in a very different way, not like before, you know. I want to bring out videos whereby even at least you people, you can learn something about this place. Guys, I know I'm sweating. Yes, I know I'm sweating. You know how many hey, let me check. I don't have internet. I forgot to carry my Wi-Fi. There is something called Wi-Fi, but let me see. Yeah, it's 33 degrees now. Yeah, it's 33 degrees now. So you can imagine I'm walking under the sun, and this is the beautiful streets of Bahrain. So if you come across this video for the first time, please consider giving this video a like, you know. Consider also subscribing, share it with friends and family. I would really appreciate. And also you can leave a comment down below, and you can tell me what you think about this video, or which kind of videos you want to see from now on and in the future, because this is now the new face of the channel. Hey, the sweat is really, and I think, guys, I need to cross. Like I said, I need here people keep right, you know. See, let me cross. Yeah, that's better. And even the sun is on my side, so yeah, this is better. So anyway, you can leave a comment and you can tell me what you think about this decision. Is it a good decision or is it a bad decision? But for me, I feel like it's a good decision that I'm making. Yeah, it's for the better of the brand, and also it's for the better for the viewers, for them to be able to search my name easily and also to find me easily on this platform. Wow, sorry guys, my camera went off because it's super hot. So normally GoPros, when they overheat, it switch off automatically. So for see the sweat, guys, see the sweat. Yeah, you can relate on how I'm sweating. Yeah, I'm feeling super hot. Now this is a very beautiful place, relaxation, massage and everything. Yeah, basically guys, this is my neighborhood. This is where I stay, and this is how some of the streets, not all, some of the streets in Bahrain look like. You know, Bahrain is very different. If you go to a specific street, if you go to a specific street, it looks different. They don't look the same. You know, some places you will find tall buildings, skyscrapers. Some places you'll find short buildings. Some places you'll find just a single house. So see, if I walk on this side, they keep on beeping. Dit, my friend, you need to come out of the way. Yes, I'm coming out of the way. Yeah, so yeah, this is how it looks like. Beautiful flowers here. And the good thing about Bahrain and also Gulf countries, they love trees. You know, they love trees, they love flowers. They normally plant, you know, like you can see here. Can you imagine? I'm in a desert, but also still I can see flowers. I can see beautiful trees. You know, at least the greenery, you know, also refreshes the mind, you know, refreshes the brain. And the sun, see the sun here is always shining. So the way I'm walking here, it's like it's like sunbasking. So I'm getting vitamin D, and at the same time I'm doing exercise, and it's really good for my vitality, or vitals, or how do I say? Yes, English is not my first language, so if you don't get it, forget about it. Yes, so guys, please support me, you know, support my channel, watch my videos guys, leave a comment, tell me what you want to see in this video, and together we will be able to grow. The bus is passing. This is the bus, it's passing over there. So I said one day I'll do a video about transportation in Bahrain. Also, yeah, it's good. I will do a video especially for the bus, because the bus, it's really affordable. Yeah, the price is really low, and I'll do a video about it so that you guys, you can get to know and you can get to learn, yeah, about transportation system. And you see what I'm saying, the trees, you see the trees. So for example here, the tall buildings, you can see, yes, it's like that, and it's really great. So I'm really happy to be back. You know, I'll always make sure at least in a week I'll drop 3 or 4 videos and one live video, 3 or 4 videos, so that at least we can be back, yeah, from where we started or where we were. You know, at the end of the day, they say a journey of 1,000 miles begin with one step, and through that journey there is ups and downs, there is unturned stones that you need to turn, you need to discover, so you need to explore, and there is where you find yourself, and that is where you find everything that you're looking for. So in this journey guys, I'm counting on you, and this video purely it's for me changing my name from Amir.Nasser to its_Amir. So please subscribe to this channel, give it a like, leave a comment, tell me what you want to see, and I hope you're gonna enjoy this journey with me, and together we're gonna grow. And very soon we will go to Africa. You know, we will do some videos also in Africa. And I know things have been a little bit challenging, but yes guys, my camera is becoming hot. Yeah, it will switch off any moment. Let me see. Yes guys, again my camera went off. So it's normal during summer, it's normal for the camera to be switching off, on and off, because of the sun. So it's overheating, but we don't complain. At the end of the day, we manage to do the videos. The sun is behind me, as you can see, and the beautiful building. So I just need to take a very catchy thumbnail. And where I'm heading to, it's this side. You know, I've just been walking around this neighborhood, showing you around, and also giving you reasons to why I am changing my name. So guys, expect more videos from me, expect more exciting videos, and expect some collabos. You know, now I want to do a lot of collabos. You know, the sun is on this side, you see, the sun is on this side, so maybe if I walk like this you'll see, but now I'm heading towards this side, so that's why probably the contrast of the camera will change, but yes, we don't complain. So yeah, as I'm saying, expect more collabos. You know, collabos are very good. At least I'll get also to learn something new from other creators. I'll get to see other places. I'll get to show you guys also other places. I also want to show you guys the sea. Is it sea life or is it marine life? Because you know, Bahrain is surrounded by the sea all round. We are in an island, so it's surrounded all around. So also those are the kind of videos I want to bring it to you, and many more. And once in a month I do my regular cooking videos. You know, see the beauty, like I'm telling you, the flowers. It's really amazing. It's really super amazing. So with that, I want to say thank you, and thank you so much for the people who have been supporting me. Don't get tired of supporting your boy. You know, don't get tired of watching your boy's videos. Yes, show him some love, leave some positive comment or even negative comment. You know, at the end of the day, all comments are good comments, because even if it's a bad comment, it's something that is gonna help you to change something or encourage you to do better. So any comment, it's a good comment. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you've enjoyed. That is me walking here in the real streets real streets of Bahrain. See you guys in the next one. Check out my old videos if you haven't, especially check out Qatar videos. That's where everything started. You know, you can also check out my Kenyan videos. I have videos from Kenya. That is all where this journey began, and this is where this journey has reached. And this journey, it's gonna be a very beautiful journey, and we're gonna grow together. So yeah guys, thank you so much. Let me cross the road, because you know, cars are coming from this side. So in this side I'll be able to see the cars that are coming, and it's easy. And I always love this place. This place looks like Miami, you know, the palm trees, the color of the house. It's very beautiful. It looks like one of the streets in Miami. Yes, you know, one day we will manage to reach there. See, very beautiful, you know. See, very beautiful. It looks like Miami, these trees and the building. So guys, let me end my video here. See you guys in the next one, and bye bye.